Kat, I'm seriously, like, you asked me to calm down.
I know.
I'm calm now. You're not going to waste more of my time. Like, you're either protecting this person or you're going to walk away from your family, your son. And that is your choice to make at the end of this evening. It is your choice. Yes,
So
I'm giving you an
I
ultimatum.
don't get to walk away from my family and I get to be a father to my son every day of his life. That's the ultimatum you're putting to me, that if I tell you exactly what you want to know, that I get to be a father to my son every day of his life.
100%. You are so correct, my friend.
No matter what, that this isn't going to go to court and you're not going to be trying to, like, exactly what this has been for.
No, I asked you to respect me.
Yes,
You understood that very clearly at some point.
Yeah.
You've destroyed my entire life.
Yes.
You gave me a fucking STD that is destroying my fucking womb and my chances of having another child. So don't fucking ask me about the ultimatum that I'm giving you, because I have every fucking right to be as angry and to demand the fucking truth. So you're going to tell me, or you're going to fucking leave as I said. It's as simple as that. You know where your priorities lie. You fucking decide. Yes, I gave you an ultimatum. It's a shit one. Sorry for you. You fucking ruined my life. So now you decide.
Okay, it's Nikita.
Nikita who?
Murray.
So you slept with Nikita Murray?
Yeah.
And when did this happen?
In Kiev.
How did this happen?
We went out. We went to my hotel room, we slept together.
And how many times?
Once.
You're fucking disgusting.